Right, hey, it's Lewis here, and just got a box arrive, and it's a new board, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing and setup kind of video. So let's get to it. Got some keys here. Gonna open my box. There we go. So the deck I ordered was a Plan B Black Ice PJ Lad one, and it's 8-inch, so hopefully this should be it. Got a sheet of mob here, but I've got some Jessup which I'm going to use instead. Anything else in there? Sick, like cardboard, looks like cardboard confetti. That was disappointing. So yeah, this is the deck. It's, yeah, like I said, PJ Lad Black Ice 8-inch, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. Got a Plan B True sticker in there, so that's bonus, I guess. Got some, oh good, that's convenient to open the board. Got some air holes, so always makes the job a bit easier. This is not going to come off well at all, is it? Hate these little stickers, man. Every time, little warning saying, yeah, skate within your ability. Why screw skating within your ability? You know what? That'll do. As you can see there, black ice. So yeah, the whole design of these is they've got like some kind of special layer. Yeah, you can feel that. Just a kind of special layer on the bottom, and it's basically designed to slide even if it's not waxed or anything, so hopefully I should be sliding a hell of a lot more. So yeah, that should be good. Hopefully improve on that. Alright, so got some Jessup grip tape which I am going to apply to the board. If I can get it off. There we go. Love taking off that sheet of grip tape. Don't know why. It's just always a fun feeling. Right. I'm just gonna get this right. Let's put it on the table. Problem is, this has been folded up for ages because I got this as like grip tape with a board a while back, and I'd ordered some Grizzly, so I never ended up, you know. And hopefully I won't get air bubbles, but you know, if I do, whatever, it's grip tape. They'll won't make a difference to the actual skating of the board. There we go, so that's all done. Now get the knife and try and cut around it. So there we go, got that gripped. Just try and get a bit of the file. It's just to maybe just sand down the grip a little bit around the edges, make sure it doesn't flick up or anything. Probably a bad idea. It's stuck to my foot, and you know what, screw it, don't care. There we go. And then just a little bit on the nose, just so it doesn't get grip thumb, because I hate grip thumb. Also, so yeah, one thing I just wanted to quickly bring up also, if there's any kind of specific videos any of you would want to see, like maybe if you wanted to see a trick done in like a Today I Learned or a trick challenge, or just another idea for a whole video in general, like more unboxing or whatever, because this is the first one of those I've done, just feel free, leave a comment and might have a look, see what it is, maybe do it, maybe not, but yeah, just looking for maybe new ideas to bring in on the channel. So yeah, just something to think about. Alright, so now that the board's all put together, all set up, I'll have a brief run through my setup with you. So I've got a Plan B Black Ice PJ Lad deck, 8-inch width, and I've got some just standard Jessup grip, which I might write some crap on if I can think about what to write or draw or whatever. I've got some Thunder lows, and these are just standard Thunders, nothing special, and don't know trucks very well, but they're the right width to fit an 8. So yeah, and I've got some Bones hardcore bushings, and they're medium, riding some Silverados, shoddy Silverado hardware, and yeah, just normal sort of hardware. It's 1.5 inches though, because you'll see why in a minute. I've got some Bones STF wheels, and they're 54mm, well they were, I've been riding them for ages now. Really, really good wheels. And in them I've got a mixture between some Ondele bearings and some FKDs, because I had Ondele's, some of them popped, then I got some FKDs, some of them popped, so I had to mix and match, and I think it's just a mixture of the two of those in the wheels, but yeah, they were all great. And then I've lastly got some independent 1/4 inch risers. That's the reason for the longer hardware. Don't know why, but when I first started out skating, I didn't really know the sizes, and I just kind of went with 1/4 inch because it seemed appropriate. Then I realised that they were massive, but I really like skating them, they just feel really right, and you get less wheel bite, let's face it. So yeah, that's all put together, that's all sorted out, so hopefully I can go out and get some clips for you on the new setup just to show you what it is. Probably won't be hitting any rails yet to prove the black ice, because, well, I'll probably wait to skate park before that. And like I said, if you want to see like a review or anything done on like the black ice, or just any other type of video you want to see, trick you want to see me learn, or any of that kind of thing, then just leave a comment down below. So, alright, go for a traditional tray flip test. So yeah, first opinion of the board, feels really good, pops really nice, really solid, just overall rides great, and it's quite cool because where you've got like the whole black ice thing going on, it kind of has like a really nice sort of shiny effect. Don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, like it feels really good. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.